This 750 kVA 3-phase pad-mounted transformer is made for Canada. It meets the strict CSA C227, 4.21 standard. This transformer has aerated capacity of 750 kVA. The primary voltage is 12.47 kV. The secondary voltage is 0.6 kV. It uses a YN-YNO connection. This provides stable 3-phase, 4-wire power. The transformer has an energy efficiency of 99.15%. The no-load loss is about 1/00W, and the load loss is about 8/00W. The impedance is 5.75%.